So now you can see the changes here. You can see before this particular place was empty, but now you can see it's showing a call to action, which is send message, right? So the next thing you want to do is go down to where you have so here is the welcome message they will get once they send us a message on our messenger. You can decide to edit this particular message to what suits you, right? So I can decide to click on it to edit here the greeting message and then edit the frequently asked questions. Okay, if that's okay by you, you can just leave that now. I totally advise you to edit this because okay, yeah, it's saying please let us know how we can help you. Most people don't like this. Please let us know this particular statement. They might end up asking you or telling you they don't need help, right? So since you know people you are dealing with, you just have to edit this to what suits you. Okay, I'm just going to leave that. So now I'm going down here, you can see where we have audience. This is where I was telling you about knowing your ideal customer interest and demography, because you will surely need them during running your advert. So now that you know your customers interest and demography, you just go ahead to select or create. So now Facebook have already um suggested a location and interest for us, but we don't want that because that is not what we are looking for. So you are going to click on create under audience to select the audience I want to see my advert. Remember, whichever interest you're picking here, Facebook is going to show you how to do particular people. So I'm just going to pick create new to create an audience for myself. So yeah, I'm going to name my audience. Okay, I'm going to name my audience now, or my audience. Okay, so yeah, my location is currently on United States. So now I'm going to change this location. This particular location is the location I want my advert to display. You can just know that you can send your ad to a particular place, region, or even a country, right? So now I'm just going to save now. Let's say I just want Asaba. And now I'm going to pick characters, which is the interest I want to target. Now, not everybody in Asaba I want to see my ad. I want people that are interested in weight loss product because I sell weight loss product, for example. So I'm just going to pick on characters and add an interest just in case I want. Okay, so you don't have to leave your interest blank, because if you leave your interest blank, Facebook will show your ad to people that they think might be interested in your product, right? I don't want Facebook to suggest for me, so I'm going to pick a demography or an interest that I know will suit my product, right? Let's take for example I sell weight loss product. I'm going to tap on interest and then search. I'm just going to search weight loss to see the options we have there. Okay, this is weight. You can see the various options. You can see weight training. Yes, someone that is interested in losing weight is definitely going to be interested in weight training, right? So I'm going to tap waist training. So Facebook is going to show my ad to people that have been searching for things related to waist training online. So you see that this is very interesting, right? So with this, once you pick waist training, just go back. Facebook is actually suggesting for me things that are related to weight loss. You see? So you can see you don't need to bother yourself too much. Once you have just one interest, Facebook will suggest for you, and with that, you can actually pick from the suggestion given to you by Facebook. So now we're just going to pick bodybuilding. I'm going to pick bodybuilding. Okay, so you see more options are coming. I'm going to pick health and wellness, right? I'm going to pick physical fitness. Now Facebook is not just going to show my ad to people that are in Asaba, but it's going to show my ad to people that are in Asaba and also interested in all these things. So after selecting my interest, demographic, or behavior, I'm just going to tap on save to save my interest. Okay, so now the next thing to consider is the age. You don't want to send your ad to everybody. You have a particular age range. That's why you need to know your customer avatar, your ideal customer avatar. So now I'm going to set my age range to, let's say I want to target people from 23 to I sell weight loss products, so I will want to target younger people, right? So I'm just going to target from 23 to 35, right? Okay, so you down here you can see gender. So I can decide to send my ad to just men, right, or just women, or I can decide to send my ad to both men and women. Now the next thing you want to do after selecting all this is save your audience. Right now you can actually use this particular audience for another advert. Once you save your audience, you are sure of using it for another advert because it will be showing somewhere here. The next thing you want to do is select a budget for yourself. How much will you be using for your advert? Facebook advert, remember I said Facebook advert is not free. Facebook sponsored advert is not free. You need to pay for your advert and you pay per day, right? So you're going to select how much you want to use per day and how many days you want to run your advert. So let's say I want to use I advise, if you're starting, just in case you don't have money for advert, you can start from 800 naira. 800 naira is fair enough, or 1000 naira. So let's say we are running advert for 3 days and we want to use 1000 naira. So we are going to select 3000 naira as our budget. Then I can come down here to reduce the number of days to 3 days, right? Or I can even increase it depending on what I want, depending on how much I'm using per day, right? So I want to use 1000, so I'm just going to leave it at 3 days. And then down here you need to add you need to fund your account to be able to run this advert, because once I tap on publish now, my ad will not run. After reviewing, my ad will not start running because I don't have a balance. So right now I'm going to tap on add payment method to add money to my, or to fund my ad account, right? Once I tap on add payment method, you're going to see the payment option here. If your ad account is an old account, you'll be seeing pay you, so you can decide to use pay you, or you can decide to add payment method instead. Remember, we have both automatic payment and manual payment. Automatic payment, you input your card. This is automatic payment. With automatic payment, Facebook will charge you directly from your bank account. You will just have to put your card details here, and then Facebook will charge you directly from your card, directly from your account, right? But if you're using manual payment, what you need to do is add money to your ad account, and then Facebook will charge from your ad account. Once you're done adding your payment details, all you need to do is click on save to save your card. And then once you're done, the next thing you want to do is tap on boost post now. Once you tap on boost post now, what you'll be seeing is review. Your your ad will be on review, and Facebook will actually look at your ad and see that and make sure that it's aligned with their policy. And once they've already done that, your ad will be set to run, and you will see that your ad is running. This will take hours or maybe up to a day, depending on how long it takes for them to review that particular advert. So that's for how to boost a post. I just taught you how to boost a post. This is not all for Facebook and Instagram ad. If you want to get more results, then you need to use what is called ad manager to run your ad, right? So this is just you using your Facebook page to boost your post. There is more to advert. With ad manager, you can access different objective, which is the goals, and also you can choose some interest that you might not really find in your Facebook post, and also many other options that you need to take advantage of.